Spectrum Noir Metallic Markers are stunning on dark surfaces like these Colorista pads and tags. So we're going to start with these markers and talk about them a little bit. There are two sets here, Precious Metals, that's this one, and Rare Minerals. I think I got that right. I'm going to double check. Let's see. This one is Precious Metals. Yes, that has the golds and the browns and the grays. And Rare Minerals has kind of a little bit more color to it, some jewel tones there. These are really spectacular. They're water-based, they're acid-free and archival. You're going to get 6 pens in each one of these sets, so the sets are sold separately. And let's zoom in, I'll zone in on this one for just a moment. Let me pick up one of these. Like I said, water-based, acid-free, archival. It has 2 tips on here. Oh, by the way, you get instructions in with the package of how to use them to get the best results. You're going to get a fine point end and a brush tip end. So these are going to be great for hand lettering, for journaling, for coloring books, for coloring in already images that are ready to color in. And this is what I did with some of them. You can go ahead and write. This is with the fine tip, which is right here. So you've got your fine tip. And then this end here is with the brush tip. And that goes just like that. It's a nice wide tip. It's kind of flexible, so it bends. And the nice thing about this is that they are water-based. And I'll show you why I think that's kind of cool. So if we get in here, here is a stamped image. So I went ahead and stamped and StazOn. And I can just start coloring in just like so. I'm going to color right over those little lines. It's opaque enough that it's going to color over things like that. So I can make that a nice solid color, really smooth and sort of liquidy, and then it's got this nice metallic sheen to it that you can see. I'm going to try to pick it up so you can see. It's a little wet, but it's also got that sheen, and that's what the other things you're seeing there. You can see sort of that metallic. So over here, I'm going to start it just a little bit here in the center, and now I'm going to grab a water brush with just a little bit of water, because you can move it around a little bit just because it's water-based. So I can blend those together. I can spread it out so it's a little lighter on one end and darker right in the center. So that's nice about it being water-based. The other great thing is, I mean, we know that it looks great on dark like this. So I've got one of the tags from these Colorista sets. And let me show you the Colorista tags here. Colorista, Spectrum Noir, Colorista dark tags. There are 32 designer tags in here, and each of them have this embossed surface on there. So that's embossed either in black or in clear, but you can see around it, so that's going to be perfect for coloring in. You're getting lots of great images in here. You're getting kind of some sea images, you're getting florals, there are some fish. It's just some really fun stuff. And there's like a sea star and really beautiful images, 32 of those shaped like a little tag, so it's ready to go for a gift. Or you can even put those on the front of a card. They've got a hole there at the top. So I've got one of those little tags here, and I'm going to go ahead and just show you that it's so easy just to start coloring it in. And you can do it with different colors, and I'm coloring on the little stripes there. So that's going to make something fun to do. It's going to be quick and easy, and it's going to look just beautiful on that black surface. I think if I get something on top of the embossing, I'm actually doing that on purpose right now, then I can go back with a little water and remove it just like that to get the embossing to show back up again, because it's water-based. If you don't let it dry too long, that's something you can do. I just think that's beautiful. The 2 other Colorista dark pads that I have here, 2 of our new ones that we're carrying, are from Spectrum Noir. They are Floral Bouquet and Victorian Steampunk. Each of these have 16 pages each. They measure about 5 inches by 5 inches. And this is, they call it a premium pencil pad, but it's perfect for the Colorista or the metallic pencils, but it's also great for these metallic markers. And you're getting in this one, the Steampunk, you're getting gears, you're getting, you know, lots of steampunk type looks there. So take a look at the at our product page for this one to see a few of the images in the graphics that you see there. So just beautiful, beautiful, some really fun and unique looks there. And this one is all about florals, and I think I have some of them backwards. No, I have the whole pad backwards. So there we go. Lots of different florals covering that whole sheet. So these pens are going to be great for coloring these in. It's going to be so much fun just to sit and color those. And when you're done, you could pop that right onto a card. You could cut it into strips and use for border or accent pieces. And I also think these would make great mats for a photo. If I were to color something like this in, and then I had a smaller photo, maybe a 2" by 3", you could put it right there and have a small, a little scrapbook page that you could frame, and that would be really beautiful. So from Spectrum Noir, the Colorista dark pads and tags, and these wonderful Spectrum Noir Metallic Markers. They're just stunning on dark surfaces.